Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today let's discuss how to get free things from AliExpress. So first of all, let's explore a section that is called free gifts, that is on your homepage. This is a special area in AliExpress application where sellers offer products absolutely for free. So here you can see a list of products that marked as free, and the concept is to pick 2 products that will be free, and for the third item you will have to pay. So let's select 2 random items. So casually I'm adding them to my cart. And now the last step is to pick one more product to get those 2 items for free. So for example, let it be this one. Okay, so now that I have my 3 items in my cart, I need to proceed to checkout page, and I can clearly see that these 2 items will be free, and for the third item I will have to pay. And also I can go down to summary and see that instead of paying, in my case, $4.67, I will pay only $1.21. So this is really nice way if you want to save some money on AliExpress and also get some free stuff from AliExpress. And the second way how you can get free stuff on AliExpress is by checking out section that is called Freebies and Reviews. So at the home page also you can find it right here, but as you can see I have it is named differently on my phone, and you can have that problem too, so don't stress if you don't see exact section that is called Freebies and Reviews. Just go through all this section at the top and find eventually this freebies section. So here sellers give you products for $0, and in return you agree to leave review for this item. So it's basically like a product testing. So here also you can see a list of items that have been put up for this freebie promotion, and you can choose literally any products that you want to receive and later review. But I highly recommend you to stick to those items with fewer applicants. So for example, for this item 15 people already applied, but for example for this one only 5 applied. So try avoiding this competition so that you 100% were selected. So when you decided which item you want to receive, you have to press this orange apply button, then confirm some terms and conditions, and basically wait until you are selected for this promotion, and receive your item and eventually leave review for this item. So yeah, that were main 2 ways how you can get free stuff from AliExpress. I really hope that this video helps you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.